morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is September 11th. We've got corn down about 2 1/4 to start the day. Beans down 3 1/4 with wheat down 3. So starting off a little negative. I think that's the attitude going into this USDA report that is out at 11 o'clock. Just to give you some estimates there, as far as new crop carryout, guys are expecting to see corn up over 2 billion carryout. So looking for that to increase from 1.8 from last report. Beans looking for an increase as well. Last report we were sitting at 430 million, expecting to see 453, and then just very slight increase for wheat. So not a lot of change for wheat. But some of the yield can change. Last report USDA gave us a 167.4. The average trade guess is of a 170.7. So watch for that today. And beans, an increase in beans, 45.4, jumping almost a bushel to 46.3. So these are some estimates that we need to watch here as we get these numbers released at 11 o'clock today. Now, after this report comes out, we've seen these markets pull back. We've seen this slide as we get close to this report. But what's happening afterwards? We know it's pretty chilly today, but we are still looking at sub 32 degrees for northern Minnesota, northern Wisconsin for tomorrow morning. But the coldest days still projected on the GFS model, so the U.S. model of all of these weather maps, still looking for southeast Minnesota, far northeast Iowa, and western Wisconsin, looking at getting sub 32 or being below 32 degrees on Saturday morning. So what's going to happen after this report? Guys are expecting to see, as I just mentioned on this report, more bearish numbers. Can we see some short covering afterwards? Will the market find a little bit of strength as we get closer to the weekend with this fear of cold weather, if you will? So export sales, though, released this morning, and neutral for corn and beans, no big surprises. But for wheat, some friendlier numbers there. They expected 250,000 to 450,000, came out at 690.2. So a little bit better export sales there for wheat. Is this going to be a start of better export sales? We know we need to find some demand yet for wheat, but we have seen some friendly numbers here today. As far as livestock, cattle down $1.05. Box beef, though, coming in kind of mixed. Choice up 38, select down 50 cents. We did hear some bids coming out of Texas and Kansas at a 162 yesterday. No trade yet, but expecting to see something probably close to steady. But keep your eyes out on that cash trade. Hogs down 75 cents, giving back some of the gains that we've seen. Cutout values, though, up a little bit, up 87 yesterday. So can we get a little support out of the hogs? We could, but we've seen a very good rally for the hogs, pushing us to some technical levels that we need to be aware of. So a little bit of a pullback here this morning, not surprised with that. But overall, we may end up seeing some support yet. Stock market down 75. You got gold down $2, silver down 18 cents, and the dollar pulling back a little bit, down 14 cents right now, but still in a very strong uptrend. So keep that in mind here as we go forth. But give us a call if you guys have any questions whatsoever. You can reach us here, 800-262-7538, or check us out on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Take care.